Hello. My name is Chad Smith. I'm a professional rock climber and volcanologist. I'm currently in the town of Pedro Bay, Alaska. Over the course of the next few weeks, I will be studying Mount Augustine on Augustine Island. Mount Augustine is currently active, as its last activity was in 2005. Its alert level is on normal right now, and Augustine is a central dome cluster, and it is surrounded by pyroclastic debris. With this debris building up, there have been over 11 avalanches in the past 2,000 years. I just finished my hike from the shore of Mount Augustine Island, and I'm now at the base of the volcano. Mount Augustine is 4,134 feet above sea level, so hopefully I'll be summiting within 2 to 3 hours. If I don't have any issues with the ropes or equipment, I should be good for about a 3 o'clock arrival time. So I've now reached the summit of Mount Augustine within about 2 hours and 45 minutes. I will soon start to descend into the main vent of the volcano, and about halfway down I will then apply my gas mask so I don't inhale any of the dangerous fumes. But for now, I'm just going to wear a surgical mask so I don't waste any of the oxygen. I'm also wearing my fire proximity suit, as you can see, to protect myself from a large amount of heat that I will encounter being in the magma pool.
When Rome's in ruins, we are the lions, free of the Colosseums. In poison places, we are anti-venom. We're the beginning of the end. Tonight, the foxes hunt the hounds, and it's all over now, before it has begun.
What the heck? Oh my god, it's erupting! It's erupting! Oh my god! So I have reached the summit of Mount Augustine in about 2 hours and 45 minutes. I am now about... No! But for now, I'm just going to wear a surgical mask so I don't waste the oxygen. I arrived in about 2 hours and 45 minutes since I descended from the bottom. And I'm now, oh shoot, shoot!